All right, what is up? We are back, ladies and gentlemen, for another live stream. Welcome. All right, welcome. Today's cryptocurrency market up right now 3% over the last day. Bitcoin over 39,000 right now. Very nice. Ethereum charging up toward 3,000, really looking nice. How about the resurgence of Ethereum? First one in, Richard. How we doing, man? How we doing? First one in, love it, man. Hope you're having a great one. Jay Will, boom. What's up, man? Little late night hammer. Cardano, nice movement today. 6% up 165. What's up? What's up, guys? What's up, Tommy? Good to hear it, Richard. How you guys doing, Tommy? How you doing, Jay? Doge at 35 cents right now. Matt Biggs, what's up, man? Things looking a lot better. Yeah, for sure, man. For sure, brother. Definitely. What's up, Beneath? How you doing, man? So I don't know if you guys saw this tweet that I talked about today. One of my friends that I follow here, Brandon, tweeted this out. So shout out to him. But man, this was crazy to read, right? I know you guys have heard me rant about NFTs before. So the video titled, I'm sure you guys remember this one, Charlie Bit My Finger, was first posted in 2007, showed Charlie Davies' car as an infant. Garnered over 880 million views. An NFT of that video sold for $760,000, and now it's being removed from YouTube. And this is why I say the NFT space is just getting started, guys. What's up, Raza? What's going on, man? How you doing, brother? Doing great, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'm doing well as well. Hopefully you are too. Tommy, good, brother. Ready for this market to be up and up Meek Mill getting on cheap. I know, man, right? For sure. Will, nice. Look what Will says on Twitter, guys. Currently out having some beers, so I can't be there, but I'll have a beer for you, Zach. Oh, we got to message him back, man. Right on. Completely understand. Enjoy. International, what's up, man? Can you elaborate on NFTs? Yeah, De Silva, for sure. I'm actually going to talk about that a little bit tonight. We're going to talk about NFTs. So I'm actually going to create a video on this too, but I figured why not double dip a little bit, talk about it on the live stream for those of you joining now. And I am going to create a video on this probably this week sometime. Talk a little bit more about why I'm so bullish on NFTs and the future of the space. And of course, NFTs mostly run on the Ethereum platform. You guys know how I feel about Ethereum. So first and foremost, NFT, non-fungible token, a digital asset that represents a real-world object. So, for example, the Charlie Bit My Finger video, right? NFTs are bought and sold online, frequently with cryptocurrency, and frequently with ETH, guys. More often than not, it's ETH, and are generally encoded with the same underlying software as many cryptos. Interestingly enough, I had no idea that they had been around since 2014. But they really started gaining notoriety this year, right? A staggering 123 million has been spent on NFTs since 2017. I wonder how much of that number has come in 2020 and 2021, right? What's going on, everybody? Welcome in. Welcome. So they're generally one of a kind, or at least one of a very limited run of something, right? So maybe there's like 3 or 4 versions of the, a similar picture or video or even a meme or a GIF or GIF, depending on how you say that. And they have unique identifying codes that's what kind of makes sure that they are as rare as they say they are, right? Essentially, NFTs create digital scarcity, right? Because then there's only one of this Charlie Bit My Finger video. It's getting pulled from YouTube. That's why now it's one and done, right? It's a one-time thing. So if you want that, you've got to purchase it. You know, I look at NFTs. I think a good parallel for NFTs, guys, are just any form of art. Like, why do people pay millions of dollars for a painting? That's why somebody just paid $700,000 for the video of Charlie bit my finger, right? It's the same thing. So obviously NFTs are different because of the digital scarcity, right? Very different than most digital creations, which are almost always infinite in supply. Think of a digital creation in the form of music, a song. It's sold over and over and over and over. Well, an NFT could be sold over and over and over, but the original creator will always collect that royalty fee, right? And usually there's only one of them, or a finite number of them, right? 2, 3, 4, 5 of them maybe. But NFTs, at least in the early days, have been digital creations that already exist. Okay, that's kind of an important note. So far, that is, right? In some form elsewhere. Okay, whether it be a physical form, a video that's already, already published somewhere, an image that's already published somewhere. I know for you basketball fans out there, I myself like to watch basketball too, but there's a LeBron James dunk that I believe sold for 1 million. Don't quote me on that exact number, but it was a crazy amount of money. It was a famous dunk of his, right? Things like that that are already out there, but somebody just creates it into a unique digital scarcity item, right? Welcome in, everybody. Lori, no, you're not going to. Welcome to the stream. Because an NFT allows the buyer to own the original item. Not only that, it contains built-in authentication, which serves as proof of ownership. Collectors value those digital bragging rights almost more than the item itself. Interesting, right? The digital bragging rights. So real quick, and we'll come back to this article, but we'll bounce around a little bit. So interestingly enough, if you go over to the website here, our main coin market cap, you can actually separate assets by NFTs. So here are these categories. You have DeFi, NFT, just the Polkadot ecosystem, right? So if you click NFTs, here you go. Now here's all of your ones arranged per market cap. Okay, so one of the ones I've actually addressed and talked about, look at Decentraland. This was on sale during the crash. So these are all NFT related assets, okay? This one was brought to my attention last night on stream. This is one I'm going to have to take a little bit of a closer look at, CHZ. So let's do it by market cap here. So if we separate it by market cap, highest market cap above and beyond is Theta. Another one I'm going to have to take a look at. Pushing a 7 billion market cap right now, then a big drop off. Look at that. All the way down here, Decentraland, third in market cap. Mana. Shiba Swap will have NFTs. Yes, De Silva, they are planning on having NFTs. So yeah, if we go over to sheeptoken.com, is it sheeptoken.com? Am I getting that right? I know that's the Twitter. Maybe I'm off on that website. Welcome everybody. How's everybody doing? Sheep token. Let's go here. Let's go this way. What's the website? Yeah, it is Shiba. Oh, it's Shiba token. That's why. Yeah, so De Silva, if you come on down here to art, you'll see that they are interested in the NFT space. And it's going to be surrounded around Shiba Inu dogs and creators who create art surrounding animals, right? So it kind of all aligns there. Jake G, what's up, man? Are many people talking about a dead cat bounce? Can you explain and also your thoughts? Talking about a dead cat bounce? Jake G, what do you mean, man? Eric, what's going on? So they make a video of a slam dunk, turn it into an NFT, sell it, and then no one sees it ever again. Guess what? The memory of that awesome slam dunk dies and people move on. Well, again, though, so it's not so much for them to show it off, right? It's not so much for them to say, hey, you've got to come to my page to view LeBron's dunk, right? It's for digital bragging rights. This is what they value more than anything. It's that I have this and you don't. I mean, think about a famous painting, right? Think about a painting from, you know, whoever your favorite major painter is, right? And there's only 2 of those paintings made. Well, you're probably not taking pictures of it on Instagram and showing everybody that you have this painting. But when somebody comes over to your house, what are you going to say? Look at this painting. There's only 2 of them. It's the same kind of thing. You would have some bragging rights, right? Does that make sense, Eric? And everybody else? Lori, Shiba's not moving. Just be patient, my friend. Just be patient. I'm VA Sco. What's good, G? What's going on, bro? What's going on, man? Talking about some NFTs right now. Shiba Inu, NFTs, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Talking about the whole gamut. Make sure you guys hit the like button on your way in, or if you're already in here and forgot to, smash that like button for me. Jamie, what's up? Sheeb is a project with support, with a future. Save lives, protect the ecosystem and the people like it. I bet everything on Shiba Inu, the currency of the future, holds Sheeb. I like it. Tommy, yes sir, what's up? So NFT stands for non-fungible token. We addressed that at the top, but let's hit on that again. Generally built using the same kind of programming as cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Most NFTs are built on the Ethereum platform. Most NFT assets, I should say. Physical money and cryptocurrencies are fungible, meaning they can be traded or exchanged for one another. Okay. NFTs, well, let's back up a little bit. So, crypto's fungibility makes it a trusted means of conducting transactions on the blockchain. NFTs are different. Each has a digital signature that makes it impossible for NFTs to be exchanged for or equal to one another. So, say I buy an NFT from Tommy Russ, and then Eric wants to buy that NFT that I just got from Tommy. Well, Eric now has to purchase it from me for a higher price. But every time that NFT is sold, because Tommy was the creator, he's collecting royalty fees. He gets to set those royalty fees before he sells it the first time. So Tommy could say, I'm going to make this a 10% royalty fee. That means every time it changes hands, Tommy gets 10%. Pretty amazing, right? So no matter what the price is when he sells it to me the first time, it could go higher and higher the next time. He's still getting 10%. So he wants that to go higher and higher, right? So whoever created that LeBron James, NFT the first time, I don't think it sold for $1 million right off the bat. I think it was sold over and over, right? It changed hands, but at the end of the day, somebody paid $1 million for it or close to it. Don't quote me on that number. But the original creator, every time it changed hands, they got a royalty fee, whatever they set that price at. Okay. Maddox on a crazy day again. I know, Hugo. I know. We're gonna get to it. Maddox. But yeah, just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention. Top collectibles, NFTs, tokens by market cap. There you go. And there's a lot of these assets. I mean, look at this NFT space. These are all top collectibles, NFTs, tokens by market cap. Look at this. Here's Rarible. Look at this. Crazy. So out of 225 assets, all related to the NFT space. We're just getting started with NFTs. Tadas, what's going on? Someone scammed lost my everything. I have to change all my passwords. Oh man, that sucks. I'm sorry to hear that, brother. I think we've all been there once or twice. So let's go back here and check out this article again here. So here's a few of the things that you can create an NFT around, okay? When an NFT is created, or in the industry they say minted, from digital objects that represent both tangible and intangible items, things could be, as I mentioned, GIFs, art, videos, sports highlights, collectibles, avatars, video game skins, designer sneakers, music. There's a band that's coming out with an entire NFT album. Let me see if I can quickly Google that for you guys, because I forget the band, but it's a pretty big name. Musical band NFT album. This will pop up. Kings of Leon, there you go. Will be the first band to release an album as an NFT. How about that? Guys, I forgot something on the other side of the room. I'll be right back. So pretty crazy. Kings of Leon, first band to release an album as an NFT as of March. Albert, what's up, man? Great day in the market, huh? Yes, no doubt. Okay, so Eric, technically I think it could, but would there be a market for it? Now, here's the other thing. It does cost money to create one of these. There are gas fees, right? So when you're creating something like this, you have to keep that in mind. There are some expenses involved, right? Not like crazy amounts, but there are some expenses in creating an NFT. But Kings of Leon will be the first band. Very interesting. Okay. We'll keep that up. Maybe we'll come back to that at some point. That's the rise of NFTs. And I'm going to create a whole video about NFTs, but I figured why not? Let's just talk a little bit about NFTs here on live stream too. So even tweets. This is another one that I've seen a lot lately, guys. People will take famous tweets, mint them, the act of creating the NFT, and now you've got an NFT. You take that tweet down, you mint it. That is the official NFT of a famous tweet. In fact, Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey, also CEO of which company? Put it in chat. Jack Dorsey, co-founder of Twitter, also CEO of which company? Put it in chat. Quiz time. Stone, what's up, man? Sold his first ever tweet as an NFT. How about that? For $2 million. Essentially, NFTs are like physical collectible items, right? Only digital. There's really nothing different. Jets, you got it. Winner. Square, exactly. So instead of getting an actual oil painting to hang on the wall, how about this? They're using the exact, I didn't even look at this article through and through before I gave that example. And so instead of getting an actual oil painting to hang on the wall, or a famous painting from your favorite artist, the buyer just gets the digital file instead. They also get exclusive ownership rights. NFTs can have only one owner at a time. So when we think of this, okay, this is why the idea of Decentraland is so appealing to me. Instead of getting a real house of your dreams, why not get a virtual house of your dreams if you can't afford the real house of your dreams? Create it into an NFT, sell it, and then maybe you can afford your real house of your dreams. Pretty crazy. It's nuts, Eric. I mean, when I first heard of this, I was like, wait a minute, what? What is this? I first heard Mark Cuban talking about it, and he had created some NFTs of himself. He made some GIFs or GIFs, however you pronounce it, He made a couple of those and a couple memes and sold them for thousands upon thousands of dollars, which was insane. And then continually increased the royalty fees and proceeded to make, I think, like 50,000 off one. It was insane. But this is why, the whole Decentraland idea, after looking up what NFTs are, how it works, and I like this idea. Virtual reality platform that allows users to create, experience, and monetize content and applications. In this virtual world, users purchase plots of land they can later navigate, build upon, and monetize. Kind of aligns itself pretty nicely with NFTs, right? They also get exclusive ownership rights whenever you create one, right? NFTs can have only one owner at a time. NFTs' unique data makes it easy to verify their ownership and transfer tokens between owners. The owner or creator can also store specific information inside them. For instance, artists can sign their artwork by including their signature in an NFT's metadata. Interesting, right? Decentraland will be huge. It will be a gambling, and I think so too, Jake. I think that's a great point, man. Got 600 mana? Nice, man. I like it. Have you had them for a while, or did you just recently get in on the dip? Jets, I feel like NFTs are going to settle into a niche market. I think right now the niche market it's in is for the extremely rich. That's who's really profiting and benefiting off NFTs. But I think once it gets bigger, it becomes more of a global trend. That's when I think, your normal, quote unquote, normal investors, normal people in the marketplace will get in the NFT space as well. It sounds exactly like Sim City, dude. Exactly like it, Stone. That's a great analogy. Yeah, exactly. Probably some futuristic unknown unknowns that we can't even conceptualize. 100%, Eric. I mean, you think about the virtual reality world and what it's going to look like in video games in 5 years from now. I mean, yeah, we're going to be in the game. Like, literally. I know, like, that's a company slogan, but we're going to take that to the literal level, man. How do you make money from NFTs? I just don't get it, Zach. Well, you create them. You create them. So here, let me give you a visual here. So let's go to Rarible.com. This is an asset you can actually purchase. It is an asset you can purchase. So it's on the list of NFT assets. It's kind of down there in terms of market cap right now. So here's the NFT list. Rarible. Here it is right here. So Rarible's right here. This is the website. Ranked number 473 overall. So it's decently ranked overall out of 10,054, right? Just in the NFT space, it's a little bit further down. But I heard of Rarible and Mintable from a podcast I was listening to with, I think it was Mark Cuban, actually, again. And these are the two that he mentioned. So these are the two I kind of did the most research on because they were kind of stuck in my head. Actually, some great movement from Rarible today. They're actually down right now. Might be a nice time to get in. Rarible was trading what, as high as all-time high 46.55. How about that? All-time high is $46. Look at this price right here. Might be a great time to get in Rarible right now. But anyway, let's go to the website. Are we already in the game? Maybe. NFTs just look like virtual playing cards. Yeah, exactly. So, dude, oh my gosh. This guy earned, this is in one day. Guys, in one day, Gremplin, now I don't know what he sold. Maybe we could see this. Gremplin sold and earned 250 and a half ETH. How ridiculous is that? Do the math on that. 250 times what's ETH being traded at right now? 2,800? So do the quick math on that. That's how much money he made today. Today, he's the top seller here on Rarible. Let's see his profile. Let's see what he's doing. Gremlin. Mr. Zillman, what's up, man? Yeah, we'll get into Sheeb too a little bit. Anybody checking in for Sheeb news? We'll get into it. We're talking about NFTs right now, which is a part of Sheeb, right? Sheeb will be coming out with NFTs. You know, a lot of people talking about Shiba Swap, which I get it, but I think this right here is getting overlooked. What is this space going to look like for Sheeb? Because if they can hit this and knock it out of the park with their NFT venture, this could be another catalyst. A catalyst that maybe a lot of people aren't even talking about. Okay? He just made enough for a Lambo in one day, Stone. It's crazy. Crazy the amount of money bouncing around on these type of websites right now with NFTs. So here you go. These things not for sale right now. These are his collectibles. On sale 0. He's created 126 things. Let's see if we can see what he's created. So here we go. Now you can place a bid on some of these. Some of these are not for sale, right? Some of these are avatars. These are all things that are on his, I guess you could say, store, right? These are all NFTs. Okay. And you could search here by creator, by collectibles. So let's just put music. Welcome in, everybody. Make sure you guys smash that like button if you're enjoying it. If you're hanging out with us tonight. Looks like a piece of sushi. Huge for Shiba. I think so too. Jay Watts, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream, brother. Have you heard of Trios? No. Is that another NFT website? Matthias, what's going on, man? A little off topic. What do you think of SafeMoon? Got 25. I think it's pretty solid. I don't own any SafeMoon, but I would say if there are 3 meme coins that I like, at least right now, it would be Doge, Sheeb, SafeMoon. Eric, and to think we laughed at art majors in college. Now who's laughing? Yeah, exactly. You know, I've been telling a lot of the people I know who are in graphic design, a lot of graphic designers don't even know this is going on yet. They're not even aware of it. So I try to let all my friends know who I know are really, you know, good at this type of work, that are creating things, that probably have things that could be NFTs right now. Like, hey, do some research on this. Go check this out, because you could be capitalizing on this, taking advantage of it. Now, obviously, there's various niches, and a lot of these niches where these NFTs are sold, I don't understand them. I'm going to be quite honest with you. Here's Kings of Leon. Kings of Leon. NFT yourself. Now, they're using a different, they're using Rarible, their asset right here, Rari, 5 Rari. So this one, it's a 1 of 1, 5 Rari. So they're actually using this asset right here, the Rarible token. Okay. So you'll see ETH, and then if you don't, you'll usually see RARI here on Rarible. Pretty crazy. Stone, I still don't get it. Why would you pay for those GIFs? Call it like it is, not NFTs. GIF. Yeah, I mean, I guess because once they're minted, then they can't really be replicated. You own the rights to them. So again, it's that obsession of having something that other people don't, right? People really like that. That's why they get crazy collectibles, right? That's why anything like a baseball card, or, you know, that's a 1 of 1, goes for thousands of dollars. There's only one. There's scarcity. On the digital space, there's digital scarcity, right? Very similar. What do you think about the new trendy Clue coin? Don't know anything about it, Hugo. Mofo, what's up, man? Appreciate that, brother. Hope you're doing well tonight. Appreciate that. Okay, so that's a little bit about the NFT space. Let's go back here and talk about a couple more things related to it, and then we'll switch gears, talk a little bit about Sheeb and see what's going on there. So, popular NFT marketplaces. Here you go, Rarible, one of the two right here. Similar to OpenSea. OpenSea is another one. We've had somebody on stream that said they sell some things on OpenSea. Foundation. Should you buy NFTs? That's another way you can make money. You know, you could buy and then resell, right? But you got to kind of know what the market is for the things you're buying, and it's kind of hard to tell right now. So it's risky business right now in terms of buying and selling NFTs, I think. But in terms of investing in them, that might be another route, right? There are places to go to invest in them, right? Because there's 250 assets. Dance Hall Tours, I appreciate the super chat, man. Thank you. Is it legally binding that you own the IP and copyright of the media when you purchase an NFT, or do you need a contract still? That's a really good question. I don't have the exact answer, but you know what? Let's check it out. We can check that out on stream. Do you have to own the IP and copyright of media that turns into an NFT? I would imagine yes. In general, yes. Someone who creates an NFT using someone else's work should ensure they have permission from the copyright owner. Copyright law provides a bundle of rights which are exclusive to the owner of the copyright in the work. Okay, so there you go. In general, yes. Thanks again for the super chat, man. Appreciate that. Does it cost money to create NFTs? It does. There are gas fees. So gas fees associated with creating an NFT. There we go, Business Insider. Let's check out this article. Can come with huge hidden fees, leading some people to lose hundreds of dollars. So I knew it wasn't in the thousands. I knew it was a few hundred. But again, if it doesn't sell, then it's kind of a waste, right? Gas fee. There you go. So he lost over 200 in gas fees. So the primary currencies used on NFT trading platforms include Ether, Wax, and Flow. Ether really dominating the space. Most NFT trading platforms users are responsible for paying for computing energy required to process and validate the transaction, right? Because that's this minting process that's happening. The gas fees fluctuate depending on the time of day. Interesting. Martin said he bought an NFT for about $30 worth of Ethereum on Rarible, ended up losing over 200 on the NFT, even after a buyer offered over 3 times the token's original price less than 24 hours after he bought it. Interesting. While additional fees fluctuate between sites, many popular sites charge users a gas fee for minting, there you go, a token, as well as a fee for selling and buying. Okay, so a couple of hidden fees there. Most platforms also require digital wallets, so users must take into account conversion fees between different forms of Ether. Okay. So there you go. Hopefully that answers your question. I spent $80 making my first NFT. Johnny Crypto, welcome back to the stream, brother. What was your first NFT, Johnny? Because I'm going to tell you what, man. I do not have a lot of, well, number one, experience, but number two, not a lot of digital art ability. At least I don't think I do yet. But man, have I been kind of persuaded to learn a little bit more about graphic design with this NFT space blowing up. So what was your first creation, Johnny? Made my profile pic an NFT. Oh, your current profile pic? Nice, bro. Nice. Albert, Origin Protocol is up 71%. Appreciate that, brother. Lockdown, what's up, man? What's up, buddy? Just want Shiba at 0.01 or even, I know, man. I know, that'd be nice, huh? I know. Just be patient. Just be patient, brother. Let's see here. Matthias, Polygon's doing great. Appreciate the heads up on buying it. No problem, man. Love Polygon. Think it's got a really bright future, and I'm not selling it anytime soon, man. And if it dips again, Matthias, you know what I'm gonna do. Travis, what's up, man? Do you understand what Bone is going to be on Shiba Swap? You know, Bone and Leash, part of the ecosystem, right? You're going to be able to stake and farm, but how it's all going to work, you know, I've read the wolf paper, but it's still pretty confusing. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong there. I wish I understood it better. I just know that there's going to be okay. So here's how I envision it, and I might be wrong here. So if somebody can correct me on this, if I'm a little bit off, please do so. How I envision it is one of these, and I think it's the leash one, either the leash or the bone, is kind of going to be like the stable coin, if you will, to where you can kind of stake your money until you're ready to move it into other assets in the ecosystem. So how it's all going to work together, I'm still kind of confused on it myself, man. I'll be honest with you. But I'm intrigued to find out more once it comes out. I'm the type of person I need to see it. You know, when I'm reading something that's abstract that I can't see yet, I have a difficult time with that. So once I see it, hopefully I'll understand it better. Maybe you're the same way in that boat. Mofo, same here. Yeah, man. I bet you're referring to getting into the crypto space or getting into the NFT space, right? For sure. Dogecoin dressed up like Rapper 69. Really? That was another one that you created? Oh, that is the one that's on your profile picture. Nice, man. If you don't mind me asking, but how old are you? I'm 31. 31, man. Stone Leash only has 100,000 max tokens. How can we get some? I don't think you can get Bone or Leash yet. I don't believe so. Maybe Leash, not Bone. Mofo, appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. So if we go to their website, okay, buy Sheeb. Yeah, okay, you could buy Sheeb and Leash. That's what I thought. You could buy Sheeb and Leash, not Bone. Bone's not yet available, but we'll be, you'll be able to acquire it soon. So Leash was originally set to be a rebase token pegged to the price of Dogecoin, which this guy's right here, that means a stable coin. So that's what I was thinking of. So Leash will be, at least was originally set to be a stable coin to Doge. Now it has been unleashed and will not rebase. With a total circulation of only 100K, it has the opposite appeal to Sheeb, okay, especially, we're talking from a supply and demand here, which has a much larger supply. Of course, we know that. The second token, incentivized on the swap, offers special rewards for those who provide liquidity. So that's what they're referring to in Bone. Takes the power of DeFi to the next level, but again, doesn't give a lot of background. But if they're talking about the second token incentivized on the swap being Bone and special rewards, I'm guessing Bone now becomes the stable coin which Leash was intended to be. But how this all works together, it's still pretty clunky. I just want to see it. Hopefully we get to soon, right? We are early, so we are going to be the new 1%. Yeah, man. In the NFT space, you think? I think we're definitely early to the NFT space. Really, overall, anybody that's listening to a bunch of content on crypto and investing in crypto, you're pretty early, all in all. I mean, sure, there were a bunch of people, early adopters to Bitcoin, but in terms of like these assets that we talk about, like Cardano, Polygon, your average Joe walking down the street, they have no idea what the heck that is. So I hear a lot of people say, like, am I too late to buy into Ethereum, or am I too late to get into Cardano? No, not at all. Not at all. That would be my answer, at least. Travis, what's up, man? Welcome back to the stream. Same here on Bone. Have to be wait and see. I heard on another vid Bone was going to be staking. It was going to be like the Bitcoin. Okay, that would make sense if Bone was going to be their staking coin, because that's how I'm reading that. Leash was going to be their stable coin, and now yeah, it's hard to tell here, right? It's definitely hard to tell. Okay. So should you buy NFTs? Let's get back to this real quick. This is the last piece of this article. For the cyber smokers. Nice, Stone. I like it. Should you buy NFTs? Just because you could buy them, does that mean you should? Well, it depends. NFTs are risky because their future is uncertain. We really don't have yet a lot of history to judge their performance. Since NFTs are so new, it may be worth investing small amounts to try out for now. In other words, investing in NFTs is a largely personal decision. And again, guys, you don't have to invest in NFTs in the form of actually purchasing digital pieces of art or music, what have you. You can invest in assets. If you have money to spare, it may be worth considering, especially if a piece holds meaning for you. Okay. Keep in mind, an NFT's value is based entirely on what someone else is willing to pay for it, just like everything else. Therefore, demand will drive the price rather than fundamental technical or economic indicators. So it's almost like if you create this really cool meme spin-off and it goes viral, let's say on Twitter, that would be something like that would be great as an NFT. If it already has a proven track record, right, of doing well on the internet and gaining traction, that might be a good thing to make an NFT. Am I right? I think so. Like, say you have like one viral tweet in the last 5 years, right? That's like super viral. Making that in an NFT might not be a terrible idea, right? What's up, Paul? Welcome, man. What do you guys think about the scam talk on Shiba? Have you seen it? Yeah, I've seen bits and pieces. Still nothing confirming that. I don't know, man. I'm holding my 30 million. I can tell you that. 88 keys. What's up, brother? What's going on, man? Own 2 NFTs so far. Johnny, what do you own? So you've created one, own 2. What do you own? Leash already pumped to 10K from 200. Now it's around 3,500. Interesting, Hoodie. Did you get in early? So I can make a Mona Lisa NFT? Like, yeah, anything, man. I think you can make anything. I mean, if there's a market for it, it'll sell, right? But keep in mind, an NFT's value is based entirely on what someone else is willing to pay for it. I think that's crucial. Demand will drive the price rather than anything fundamental, technical. There's no economic indicators. I mean, this is the internet. It's the internet of selling things. So, what sells on the internet? Great tweets, memes, things that go viral, right? All this means as an NFT may resell for less than you paid for it, or you may not be able to resell it at all if no one wants it. Do your research, understand the risks, including that you might lose all of your investment. Of course, there are some fees there with the gas fees that we mentioned. And if you decide to take the plunge, proceed with a healthy dose of caution. Okay. So, nice article, I thought, from Forbes, talking about NFTs. I think they encapsulate just about everything. It's a nice crash course. I will talk more about NFTs in a later video that I'll put out, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, CryptoPunks, look at this, just killing it in terms of collection net worth. So if we go collection net worth, so the collection net worth of CryptoPunks, they've got 10,000 assets worth over $342 million. Now, look at the money here, and like how many people even knows what an NFT is. Like, that's the kind of perspective I like to take from this, right? So look at all this money flying around, and people on the streets are like, what's an NFT? A lot of people, right? And if you're one of those people here on stream, listen, I just learned recently, so you're still early, okay? Johnny staked my sheep. The other one is from Pancake Swamp, it's a rabbit. Interesting. Okay. Where did you stake it, Johnny? Staking sheep will pay great dividends. Albert, welcome back to the stream, man. I appreciate you coming back. I'm seeing you a lot lately, man. Thanks for joining the community. Matthias, you too, man. Just bought some Shiba to bring my average down. I unfortunately bought high at 22. I'm at 16 now. Okay, that's all right, Matthias. I bought rather high too, so you're not alone there, man. Valdo, what's up, man? What is an NFT? All these YouTube videos never get to the point. Well, man, I'll tell you this. I'm going to put out one that will get straight to the point, but I just talked about it quite a bit. Basically, dude, it's a digital asset in the form of a physical good. So, why do people buy a painting from a famous painter they love? Because it's scarce and you can only get one or two of them. Okay, same thing. So you can mint something like that that's digital, and now you create digital scarcity, right? And say here's a bunch of examples. It could be pieces of digital art, it could be a GIF or GIF, videos or sports highlights, it could be a collectible, it could be music. Kings of Leon are coming out with their album as an NFT. First band to release an NFT. But I'll drop this in chat for you to go back and take a look at this, Valdo Vinos. I think I could put this link in there, right? Let's see. Let's copy. There you go, Valdo. Check that out. Hit that like button. Yes, appreciate that, mofo. Definitely, guys, hit that like button. 120 people in here, only 26 likes. We gotta bump that up a little bit. We really appreciate that. Smash that like button for me. Neil, what's going on, brother? Any prediction about Shiba Inu? We're just waiting on some good news, man. Waiting on, I talked about the potential Robinhood thing happening. That's pure speculation right now, but I love that it's being talked about at least. There was that tweet. We'll have to talk about this too, guys. We're going to get into some stocks on the stream here too. So if you're not interested in stocks, maybe you will become interested. I know a lot of you probably are already. So there are some stocks out there that I like. So we will talk about that. So Kai Green came out with this tweet last night. So if you missed this on stream, we talked about it. Also talked about it in my video update today on Sheeb. But, we'll have to see if this is actually true. If it is, this could be a huge catalyst, one we've been waiting for, Neil. See, I got my ADA and Link and ETH staked. But the problem with staking, you can't sell and buy low to increase your asset. Yeah, that's true. Now you can buy more though, right? At you can go to a different brokerage and buy more, right? Kind of stake some and then do some trading elsewhere. That's one way to do it. Hey Seuss, okay, I see it's a variety of things. Thank you. Just got on the live. No problem, man. I just spent a lot of time going over it, but this is a really good article, Valdovinos. So definitely go back and read this because I thought this was super informative and super easy to understand. I think they do a great job in this article breaking it down. But I will put out a video soon on NFTs and try to make it as concise as possible, probably in like a 10 to 12 minute video, and just go over kind of what you need to know, what the risks are, how to get started, those type of things. Johnny, the way I see it right now, there's only half the world online. In the future, everyone will be online, and that's a huge untapped market. Dude, great point. Great point. We fail to recognize that a lot. That's a great point. Plus, everyone that has no idea of what's to come. So true, man. So true, Johnny. Facts, man. Dropping knowledge. 100% agree with you, man. Couldn't agree with you more. Couldn't agree with you more. Let's take a look at the whole market here. So Bitcoin, guys, pressing toward 40,000. This is interesting. Yeah, Central Sacramento. What's up, man? Couldn't agree with you more on that one either. How about Invest? walk away, delete the app, come back, buy a Lambo. Yeah, definitely. Bitcoin, let's check it out. Oh man, nice little pop here. Look at that. Here just a few hours ago, we were down here at 38, pretty much on the nose. Popped all the way up to 39.4, now leveling off a little bit. Got all the way up to 39.5 today, guys. So Bitcoin really making a nice comeback. Price change today over 1,100 bucks, just in the 24-hour period. Welcome in, Big Ohms. What's going on, man? Welcome back. Kai Green is 6.5 million on Insta, but doesn't post anything about Shiba. Interesting. Yeah, only over on Twitter, huh? That is interesting. I sent a message to him. Kai, where'd you hear this rumor? Asking for the Sheeb token army, Sheeb army. No response, but can't say I didn't try, right? Holding 22.6 mil Sheeb. Holding one for one. Yeah, I hear you, Rick. Welcome to the stream, man. Got some Shiba Inu and some SafeMoon. I've got 30 million Sheeb, so I'm holding strong with you, brother. I got ETH last year for only 212. No way. And staked it. Beautiful. Best thing I ever done. So far I've made 240 from the staking alone. That is awesome, dude. That's great. I was looking at it when it was 600, looking at it very closely, and just didn't hit the buy button. But I did get in at 1100, and I'm still happy with that. Long term, I'm still happy with that because, I'm going to hold this thing till 2030 minimum. So I'm cool with that. How do you Kishu Inu? You're asking Travis like it's a dance. Like, how to Kishu Inu? Where do you get it, you mean? I'm not quite sure, to be honest. I don't own the asset, but I'm sure there's a few people in chat right now who can help you out. In fact, I know there are. Everybody new to the stream, welcome. Welcome in. Glad you can join us. We're talking about a little bit of everything tonight. Bitcoin, NFTs, Shiba Inu, Ethereum. Let's go over and take a look at Ethereum right now, see what it's doing. Bitcoin making some nice moves. Ethereum, how about this? Up over 2,800, up 9% today. Gotta love that. Guys, anybody new, go ahead and smash the like button for me. Help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Push this out to people so we can build out the community. It really does help. I know it's a nuisance, but it doesn't take too much of your time to hit the like button, does it? 175 people in here. So that'd be awesome. If you can help me out with that, that would be great. Let's take a look at the 1 day on Ethereum here. Carlos Diaz, what's up, man? Take a look at Matic. Oh yeah, we will. For sure. I'm loving Matic, Carlos. Major moves. Major moves. So Ethereum's had some nice, some ups and downs, some peaks and valleys today, but on a nice trend here, all the way back from like 4 o'clock, we've just seen a nice surge. Look at this. Down here, 2,500, and it's a nice upward move here the last 7 hours or so. 24-hour high of 28.42, so we're just underneath that all-time high today. Up 9% on the price change, up over 230 bucks. Very interesting how quickly Ethereum has bounced back. This was 1,900, believe that or not. Believe it or not, just 6 days ago, when when it felt like the world was coming to an end in crypto. Rick Hard 26 YouTube, how to get Kishu Inu. Well, can't you do that? Zach, how do you do the Running Man dance? Decent, but definitely could be better. I got to work on it. Many channels are talking about we're going into a bear market long term. Well, I don't agree with them, King. How about that? A bear market long term? I don't think so. I don't think so. I just think if they're basing that off of, I mean, what's long term? Because what happened in 2018, it was like a 4-month long term bearish cycle. Things crashed. Very similar things happened in 2018 as they did just 6 days ago. Now, it took 4 months for things to stabilize and bounce back in 2018. But I just think we're in a different place in time right now. It's 2021. There's a lot more new money invested in crypto. I wasn't invested in 2018. I didn't know what the heck I was doing in 2018. And I'm not alone there, right? A lot of people didn't even know what the heck was going on with crypto, right? So I don't think we're going to see that. I just think there's too much of an uptick right now in interest. I mean, from both sides, whether it's institutional money coming in or people like us, right? So I don't see a long-term bear market. I don't. Okay. Excuse me. Memphis, what's up, man? Have you already spoken about Shiba? A little bit, but we're going to get into it. We'll get into it a little bit more. Welcome to the stream, man. Hey, Zach, how do you feel about BDAO in the future years? BIDAO. Can't give you a great answer on that. I've heard of it, but I don't know a lot about it. So, OreoTube, I'll have to check that out, man. Jay Aroom, this guy doesn't realize that with new money there are new projects. Which guy? Oh, the guy talking about the bearish market or what? I got the same feeling, preaching that you're right. Nice, King. Rick, Shiba Inu are having a big moves, advertising for 7 days in Times Square, like they did with SafeMoon too, right? Every penny they make up there, merch going to pump up. Okay, nice. Elon talked about Doge and it didn't move, so it looks like his influence is starting to fail. I thought that was interesting, Big Ohms. It didn't influence the price too much, right? But maybe that's a good thing, though, too, because it didn't really decrease, or it hasn't decreased, aside from the crash, which, everything did. So it is stabilizing a little bit, which could be a good thing long term, right? For a really volatile asset like Doge. Jacob Kim, what's up, man? Do you think buying Shiba is a good option right now? All right, let's take a look at Shiba. We're getting a lot of questions in on Shiba, so let's take a look. Let's take a look at Shiba. I know that's why a lot of you are here. That's okay. It's all good. Let's take a look at it. I do like Shiba as well. So it's ranked 32 market cap right now. Just hovering, green, red. Now it's in the green, 1.5% right now. So pretty flat trading day for Shiba. Pretty flat trading day for a lot of assets, really. OreoTube, nice. There's so many of these currencies now, you can't keep up with all the meme coins, community coins, whatever you want to call them. All right, so let's load up, as we're loading up Shiba, 24-hour high got up to 1025. We've seen it down to the 08 levels as the low. Let's take a look at the 1 day here. A lot of fluctuation here in the 1 day. We are on an uptrend right now, though, with Shiba Inu, guys. So we'll see if we touch these marks we did a little bit earlier. Back up in here to 1025. I think it got all the way up to, yeah, right in there, 1025. So, in terms of when to buy, you always want to try to buy these dips, right? I mean, if you can time it, if you're watching these charts, say I'm watching this chart right here this morning and I'm up at let's say I'm up at 544. I'm watching this now at 554. I might see this, line right here at 554. I might want to hop in because I'm seeing this downward trend. I've seen a history of going down. It might turn back up here soon. This is a nice time because how much lower can it go? You saw it went a little bit lower, right? Then it bounced around, but then a few hours later in the morning, you're back up, right? Especially if you open up a position right in here. So, if you're playing that game, if you're trying to time it in the short term, you got to really watch the charts, like a hawk. That's really the only, or set a limit buy to where you just get it automatically when it hits a certain price. But I'm in Shiba for the rest of the year. I want to hold it throughout 2021. Just kind of see what happens. I'm intrigued by it, so I'm not really worried what it's doing day to day. I know a lot of people want to look at the chart every single day and have a crystal ball and overanalyze it. And um, I'm holding it for a while, so I'm not as concerned. You know what I mean? Zach, do you think another last big dump is coming? I think it could. Again, I don't have a crystal ball, but I would not be shocked if this thing got back up into, I'm talking about Bitcoin here. Like if this thing got back up to, let's say 47, 48,000, and we saw a huge sell-off this time to like 28,000, wouldn't be shocked. Wouldn't be shocked. And here's what would happen. If it got down to 28,000 or close to that number it just did before of 30,000 or 31,000, somewhere in there it got down to, I think it would bounce right back, just like it did from May 19th to May 20th, because all the institutional money would funnel back in. It's the whales doing it anyway, right? So they'll just jump right back in and pump the price right back up. So, could it happen again? Yes. Am I worried about it in the long term for Bitcoin? No. Could you make a little bit of money quickly if you can catch it at the right time? Yeah. On the way back up, yeah. And I think a lot of people will try to do that. But I don't hold a lot of Bitcoin, but I do dollar cost average into Bitcoin a little bit here and there, and sometimes I'll buy the dip, But I'm more concerned right now, at least where I'm at the stage of where Bitcoin is and where I think Ethereum's going to go. I'm investing more into Ethereum and other assets like Polygon, Cardano, Chainlink, VeChain, more so than I am Bitcoin. And it's not that I don't like Bitcoin's future. I just, I talked about a video. Video came out today that I put out a few hours ago, and I mean some crazy bullish predictions on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the article that I went over in the video, it was some good analysts, 35 analysts, and took the average of all these analysts, and and there's some really bullish price predictions. Okay, guys, help me smash that like button. Get this out to some other people. That'd be great. Let's do that. Let's get up to 50 likes. Can we get to 50 likes? That'd be great. So here's that video I was referencing right here. Massive Bitcoin and Ethereum price predictions for 2025. You'll be shocked. I mean, there are some huge numbers. I can tell you Kathy Wood, who heads up ARK Invest, she's got a huge price prediction for Bitcoin. $500,000 is her price prediction. And that's either by 2025 or 2030. I can't remember. But Kathy Wood is super bullish on Bitcoin. Michael Saylor, another, from MicroStrategy, CEO of MicroStrategy, super bullish. Elon, he hasn't sold any of his Bitcoin, guys. I know a lot of people freaked out, when he said he's not offering any more people making purchases with Bitcoin. But then he came out with a tweet, diamond hands. He hasn't sold any of it. I don't think, if he has, maybe he was part of the big sell-off, but he probably bought right back in low. Maybe, you know what I mean? He might have more now than he did before. So follow the big money. Big money's going into Bitcoin. We talked about Jack Dorsey, right, from Square and Twitter. I mean, you've got big institutional money going in to Bitcoin. Rob Hickman, what's up, brother? Late tonight to the moon. Yeah, I did come on a little bit late tonight. Figured, I don't know if I'll be on the full 2 hours, but we'll see how long I can stay awake. Hunt God, what's up, man? Hit you with the like, fam. Appreciate that, brother. Could you hit other people so they'll hit the like button? maybe that line itself will get some likes. Rickard, what's up, man? Until January 2022, she will be made a lot of millions. You think so? I hope so, man. I hope so, brother. Jay Watts, have you heard of Trios? I have not, brother. I might have missed that earlier when you put that in there. Aiden Allen, how long do you plan to hold SHIB? At least throughout the rest of this year. I'll reconsider things in December. Yeah, I want to hold it for the rest of the year. For sure. I don't know how much you talk about smaller projects, but Hokkaido Inu may boost crazy in the future. Interesting. I do like small projects. I like SHIB. That's the one I've kind of hitched my wagon to because of where it was on the market cap. I like the story it had behind it, and it seems like the developers are really trying to create more than just one coin. Um, and I like that, there's a connection there with Vitalik Buterin. It's an Ethereum-based coin. It's 32nd on the market cap. It's intriguing. So that's the one I've kind of went in on. Now I do like Doge too, but I don't even really consider Doge a meme coin anymore. It's kind of legit. It's like pretty legitimized now, right? Put this in chat. Like, what does it take in order for you to go from meme/community coin status to like legit status? Like, what's the threshold? I don't know. Is it by market cap? Is it by time on the market? Maybe a combination of those things. I don't know. Anil, welcome to the stream, man. What's next Shiba Like coin? Please answer me. I don't know. The one that we looked up before, Alaska Inu, what's this one doing lately? Okay, it's down right now. At one time, this was way up. Alaska, okay. Trading volume's way down, so it looks like this thing pumped and then dumped. So, a lot of these do that. So it's so hard, guys, to really, yeah. So this thing, it has been trading pretty sideways, I guess you could say. But yeah, we saw the big pump and then dump. But this is similar, right, to what you see a lot. So I would just say, man, if you're going to go into one, and this is just my opinion here, not financial advice, just my opinion. I would just go with the one that's like a top market cap. At least it has a chance, right? This is why I threw some money in Sheeb. At the time I threw some money, this thing was in the 20s in market cap. Just before I threw some money in it, they were like number 15 in market cap or 16. They were a $10 billion market cap, which is insane, right? So, can it get back up there? I think it can get back to all-time highs, and that'd be great. It'd be a great start, right? So, that's kind of where I'm at, man. I don't really like to overthink it too much and try to find the next one. But again, excuse me. There's different strategies, right? There's swing traders, there's day traders, so if you're looking for that short-term gain, it's tough. It's tough. I'm more of a long-term investor when it comes to stocks and crypto. I'm thinking long-term. So guys, of course, the best way you can support the channel is smash the like button, but we do have super chats and super stickers, so you can utilize that too. Thanks to you guys, I was able to get the channel monetized not too long ago, so very grateful for that. I really appreciate everyone and everybody that's part of this community now. So really enjoying this and having fun with it, and we're just getting started too. So we're going to continue building something special, and we're all going to grow together, learn from each other, and we're going to win. Okay, we're going to win together. And anybody who has insight, anybody who has information, drop that in chat. I want to hear from you because I'm going to learn from you all too. Hopefully you learned some things from me here and there, but I've learned just as much from all of you in this short time that I've been doing live. So it's awesome. I enjoy it. I really do. Okay, let's see. Chat is blowing up a little bit. Let's see here. Isaac, MILF token. Is that a real thing, Isaac? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. We should get Brandy Love to endorse Shiba in her vids. Oh, Stone. That'd be hilarious. Memphis based. What's up, man? Utility and being on important exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Robinhood, etc. Yeah, definitely. Catalyst, right? You're talking about Catalyst for Sheep. I think Robinhood's the perfect match, man, in my opinion. How much is 800 billion Kishu worth? Beats me, bro. Johnny, Stone 420. I just remember to hold. I've learned my lesson. I've had 330,000 Doge coins last year. Once I made 1,000, I sold. If I'd have held, yeah, bro, Johnny, I'm with you, dude. I don't think I had quite that many, but man, I'm with you, bro. I'm with you. I felt that pain too. That, yep, I felt it. I saw on Reddit some OnlyFans girls talking sheep. Nice, Greg. NVA, SCO, what's up? Australian Safe Shepherd. Ask what? Nice. Market cap, time on the market, community for me to pick a token. I hear you, mofo. I hear you. I'm holding Johnny, but I so want to buy the dip. At least DCA, you know. Had no fiat to spare. Nice. Mr. 26, love it, brother. What's up, man? Proof crayons, nice. Ruby, what's up? What's going on, guys? A lot of new people stomping in. What's going on? Jordan, what's happening, man? Richie is amazing. Love their community. Deflationary, every transaction, 2% goes to charity. Nice, interesting. How do you feel about Zoot and their swap plans for animal tokens? I was hoping Shiba Swap would be something like that. Doesn't look likely now. I don't know about Zoot, Ruby. Inform us. Let us know. Let us in on the secret, brother. Greg, how about AMC stock? Yeah, how about that, man? Greg, was that you on a previous live chat that said AMC is going to pump? Somebody here on our live chat, during our live stream in the live chat, said that you should get into AMC right now. It's going to pump. This was like a week ago. I forget who it was, but somebody called that. Like, whoever said that, brilliant. Brilliant. Where is AMC right now? AMC stock. Where are we at with AMC? I sold mine. This is another one. This is why you don't sell. But I did roll it into some Tesla, and I made a little bit on it. So I don't feel terrible about that one. I don't feel as bad about that one because I rolled it into some nice assets there. Let's X out of some of these tabs here. Hopefully that'll help us out. Let's see here. AMC stock. Don, what's up, man? Race case, what's up, man? What should I do with all that? With all what? So where is hitting Shiba? All right, that's not loading up. Somebody's gonna have to let me know where AMC stock is right now. I guess I can look it up on my phone too. I love that stock. Got into AMC early, loving the ride. My parents, my coworkers, everyone around me called me an idiot. Feeling pretty good now, and it's gonna get better. That's awesome, Greg. Doesn't that feel good when you just have that strong conviction about something and you just go with it? Sometimes that's the best thing to do, is just to block out all the noise. If you got a strong intuition and you've done some homework on it and you feel good about it, high conviction, I'm with you, man. Those are the ones that feel the best, right? So AMC up to 17, nice, man. Nice. That's beautiful. That's great. Happy for you, dude. That's awesome. Chakra tattoos, nice. Meditation, love it. Shiba Inu all day, yes. Isaac, I'm not going to that website, bro. It's Ender, Shiba, 140% up. Isaac, nice. Matic flying to the moon. Oh yeah, we gotta look at Matic. Yeah. Forgot about that. Thank you. How about Matic, boys? Oh man, boys and girls, look at this. $2.13, flying high. Talk about a rebound. Wow. AMC to 10K. Look at this 7-day chart, guys. Wait till you see this. Look at this 7-day on Matic. We were at 250, which is the all-time high, right? All-time high, 268. So we were at 268, somewhere in here. Okay. Came all the way down. What's the 7-day low? 74 cents. Came down to 74 cents. I bought in at 77. I was pumped. Got back in at 77 on Poly, and then look at this thing. You want to talk about a bounce back. Look at the volume just being dumped. Look at the price change, 32% in the 24-hour period. Love it. Up 11% from yesterday. Wow. That's the high and low. Wow. Look at that. Look at the 52-week low on Poly. Man, I wish I'd have got in at 1 cent. Man, oh man. Yeah. Look at the ROI on Poly. Look at the ROI on Poly. That's just sick. All-time low was 2 years ago, back in 2019. 0.003. Man, oh man. Hey, Armand, what's up, man? Thanks for popping on, brother. Always appreciate you. You and Mofo in here tonight. That's awesome. Johnny Crypto AMC is trending on Reddit. They're trying to do the GameStop thing. And they probably will, man. It's the power of the internet. Will it dip again? Polygon, that Frank, you talking about Polygon? Probably, dude. But man, I mean, I just love this one. So Frank, and for everybody else who wants to learn a little bit more about Poly, I know I'm going to do a shameless plug here. Sorry. I talk a lot about it in some previous live streams, quite a bit. But I did this video right here 4 days ago. Could we see a $50 Polygon by 2025? It's possible, guys. It's possible. I know somebody in chat the other night said, could we see a $100 Polygon? I don't think that's out of the realm of possibilities either. I mean, this thing has went from number 32 market cap to number 13 in the matter of like 2 weeks. Maybe 3 weeks now. I think it's more like 2 weeks, though. I mean, it's insane. I mean, everybody's jumping on board. So, and I think, a lot of people will say, well, if you're all in on Polygon, that means you're not in on Ethereum. I disagree. And I talk about that in the video. I think they're going to work well together. I know I've talked about that on some live streams too. I think Polygon is only going to strengthen Ethereum, and Ethereum's only going to strengthen Polygon. Okay? It's an Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development platform. So, I mean, if you believe in Ethereum, you almost have to believe in Polygon. Polygon's purpose is essentially to like really narrow this down. Polygon's purpose is to make Ethereum better. So if you believe in Ethereum, which I do, I'm staking my Ethereum. I'm going to roll out a video on Saturday about why I staked and what staking my Ethereum does over on Coinbase. That video will come out Saturday afternoon. But yeah, I mean, if you believe in Ethereum, you got to be all in on Poly or Matic. I know I say Poly all the time, and then it confuses people. Polygon, Poly. Do you think VET will hit 70 cents in September? Hamity Gaming, I'm actually going to talk about that. I think I'm going to create one for Thursday. I'm going to do some VET price predictions, some VET price predictions, and I do think it can get to your price target. I'm even a little bit more bullish on VET later this year, so I'll have a video coming out on that soon. I've got it written down. I've got it scheduled to come out on Thursday, so I've got to create that one still, but I've been doing some homework, and I'll have a nice video out on VET soon, so welcome to the stream too. Hunt God, check Ethereum, please. I just AP'd in 20 minutes ago. Hoping when I wake up tomorrow I could pull out a profit. Okay, we could take a look at that Polygon, guys. Whew. I just got to see this real quick on the big gainers here. What are the big gainers? Poly's number 2. Okay, I figured it'd be right up there. 31%. 30. Look at this. Now it's number 1 gainer. 35%. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Holding 104K. Nice, man. 140K VeChain. Love it, bro. That's awesome. So let's see here. Let's go back over. What do you think about Shiba? Chino, I love Shiba, man. What do you think about Shiba? We're waiting on a catalyst, man. That's the big thing. Shiba Swap, you know, some kind of big exchange, whether it be Robinhood or Coinbase, even if they said like, hey, in 6 to 8 weeks we're adding it to Robinhood, or something like that, I think we can get back to all-time highs. I think that would be enough to get us back to all-time highs. Just got on Jay White. There you go, man. Armand took care of it. Yeah, we're strong. We're strong hodlers. I'm holding 30 mil. Love it. Waiting for the swap. Yes, sir, Chino. Okay, what am I looking at? Ethereum up almost 10%. So let's check this out. Now over 10%, just like that. So Ethereum coming up close to the 24-hour high. So 842, 2842 was the all-time high. This is bouncing up too. So ETH making a nice little run here. Shiba next moon landing. Nice. Yeah, look at this, guys. Go back to 4 o'clock here for ETH, and we've just seen positive movement since 3:59 p.m. this afternoon, East Coast time. We've seen some nice run up here. Really nice. Volume steady. I love ETH. I mean, but again, guys, I'm holding this one until 2030. So what happens in the daily, of course I look at it. Of course I'll make updates about it and see what's going on and get the latest insight and information and bring it to you. And I'll learn each and every day more and more about what's going on with Ethereum 2.0. But in terms of how it fluctuates on the daily, I'm not as concerned. Not as concerned. Jay Watts, Poly's on steroids. We had 3 today. Dude, it is, man. I love it. I love it. Yeah, Poly is my second biggest holding to Ethereum. Just because I believe in both, and I think both are going to work together and move together in price and in advancing the entire Ethereum network, right? So I love it, man. I love it. Huge fan. Johnny Robinhood's coming out with a wallet, and they are adding more coins. Most likely Shiba will be on it. Really? Interesting. Okay. Let's dig that up. Thanks, Johnny, for dropping that insight, man. Appreciate that, brother. Robinhood crypto wallet. Oh, you mean like just in general, or is this like new news? Okay, not seeing anything new. So you just mean like what they've been saying for a while, that they will have a wallet coming soon. If that's what you're saying, yeah, I have seen that. I have seen that. Got faith. Thanks. No problem, Jay White. Welcome to the stream too, man. Hunt God, hey ETH, making me money. Love it, Hunt God. Let's make some money. Siddhartha Mun, She plus Robinhood plus Shiba Swap. Oh, oh, it would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. Atomics, what's up, man? I regret selling off my 1.1 billion Sheeb after the April 20 dip. Bought back in, but nothing that large. Yeah, man, I hear you. All I can say is Doge love blood moons. Damien, nice. Yeah, we're getting that red moon soon, huh? I did see that. 26th, right? Tomorrow? Is that right? Straight fam, what's up? I'm holding Sheeb for like 5 to 10 years too, bro. Nice. Straight fam, nice, man. Johnny, I've heard it on a live stream. Okay. I haven't seen that anywhere, Johnny, but be sweet if that's the case. Be sweet if that's the case. Guys, can we get 20 more likes? Can we pump it up to 100 likes? That would mean the world to me right now. Appreciate you guys. Look at Armand coming in right behind me. Maybe even in front of me, because I got the live stream a little delayed, or the live chat. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that, Armand. Hunt God should be okay. Greg, look up Sunday Swans. You'll love it, man. First X on ADA. Trying to preach to y'all and get you in early. Okay, Greg. Dude, I could tell that you are up in on this, so let's do this. Is it an asset right now, or let's Google it. Sunday swap. Launching soon. Let's check it out. Working on the Cardano network DEX. Okay, launching soon. Let's check it out real quick. Do you have a position on Cardano? I do. I hold a good amount of Cardano. Third biggest holding of mine. Join the Sunday bar. Nice. Native scalable decentralized exchange on the Cardano blockchain. So a decentralized exchange, or DEX, an ownerless marketplace for efficient cryptocurrency transactions. Initial stake pool offering. Interesting. Okay. Greg, this is good stuff, man. I appreciate you putting us on. Let's see latest news. Okay, bringing ethics and trust to the table. Okay, just important. First thing we're announcing will delay till June 1st. Okay, good to know. Excellent deal to involve our community. Sunday tokens responsibly. Two important areas that we've received feedback on are the amount of detail we've shared in the business model. Our stake pool will fund. We've overlooked an alternative angle that some respected members of Cardano community highlighted, and it's shining a spotlight on some issues. Okay. Offload the small operational burden, invite a reliable stake pool. Okay. Pairing today's announcement with some exciting news. Interesting. Deeply committed and incredibly excited about the concept of an ISO and the opportunity it provides for responsible. Okay. Interesting. So this helps out the Cardano network as well. Appreciate that, Greg. American Dev Team too. Yeah. Nice, man. Appreciate that. Works A. It's beautiful to see a penny soon. It would be beautiful, bro. They had their AMA on Discord today. Please get on Discord, Zach. I know, man. I have to. I definitely have to do a Discord. I know, man. I just, I know. I got to do it. I need to get on Discord, and I will. I need to get on Reddit too. I definitely need to get on Reddit. So we were talking about NFTs earlier, guys. If you want to go back on the live stream once this is published, talked a lot about NFTs and the rise of NFTs, what they are, what to know about them, all at the beginning of the live stream. So make sure you go back and play that back if you missed it. Let's get those likes up. Yeah, almost to 100. We can get across to 100, right? Let's do that. Bitcoin 39.4 right now. Okay. Sheep token. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum's price has been running too, guys. Let's refresh this here. All-time high today is 28.42. Yeah, 28.30 right now. ETH making some nice gains here today. Love it. So I talked about some crazy price predictions on Ethereum. Can I run a poll, or can I just, no, I can't. I can't run a live poll. That would be cool. Can you do a live poll? Pop out chat. That should be a feature on YouTube, a live polling right within the chat. That would be nice. But here's the question. Ethereum price prediction 2025. What do you got? 2025 Ethereum price prediction. What do you got? Armand, Engine Coin regarding NFTs. Let's take a look at that. I've heard of it. Let's take a look at that. I wonder if it's one of the high market caps. We got an issue occurring on Coin Market Cap. Hopefully we can refresh that. Let's see. Okay, there we go. We're back. We're back. NFTs. There's Engine Coin. Rank 79, right behind Decentraland, the virtual reality platform where you buy the house of your dreams in digital format. I love it. Okay, Engine Coin. Let's see. Eric Chavez, welcome in, brother. 90K, I like it. 50K for Chino. 10K for ETH. ETH 2.0, okay. Yeah, like ETH 2.0 will be huge. So 10K, 50K, 90K. Okay. All right, I see where you're all coming from. Will the big flippening happen, Jay? Will the flippening take place? I think it will for market cap. I don't think it'll take over for price. I think BTC price will always be ahead of ETH. But in terms of market cap, I think it's only a matter of time until Ethereum is the #1 coin via market cap. I really do. ETH 2025, Armand says 40 to 50K. Love it. Love it. 100K by 2025 ETH. Nice. Okay, so Engine Coin. What do we got? Flagship offerings, the Engine Network, social gaming platform. Interesting. Yeah, we were talking about gambling and how that can work into the NFT space too. Okay, first announced 2017. It's a digital store of value used to back the value of blockchain assets like NFTs. Interesting. Okay, so it's like the Bitcoin of NFTs. Every asset minted with the Engine platform is a minting resource which is locked inside NFTs and removed from circulation. Minting blockchain assets with Eng provides a variety of benefits to creators. Instant liquidity. Interesting. Reserve value. Transparency and scarcity. The melting functionality allows users to destroy their blockchain assets at any time. Okay. It's a nice one, Armand. Appreciate you bringing this one to my attention, man. And everybody else's attention. This is good stuff. Interesting. What makes it unique? Company's blockchain platform launched in 2020. In-game items, real-world liquidity. Imagines a future in which millions of gamers use digital items backed by Engine Coin without even knowing it exists. Interesting. Interesting. I like the vision. I like the vision. Nice fair price right now too. It was way up here too, so this is on sale. You know what, guys? I don't like to diversify my portfolio too much, but I will say that I am going to be getting in the NFT space soon, and I'm going to get 2 to 3 assets. So Armand, I'm going to write this one down. Mana is already one that I'm looking at very closely. That's Decentraland. And you might have just put me on another one. ENG. Do some more homework on ENG. Appreciate that, Armand. Workzay, drop 1,000 on it. Is it bad that I'm against Ethereum, bro? I don't know why, I just am. Well, Workzay, I'd love to have a conversation about that. Why are you against it? There's got to be some reasons. Rob, where's the most beneficial place to stake ETH? I stake my ADA on Kraken. I stake my ETH on Coinbase, Rob. I don't know if you're in the United States or not, but I did mine over on Coinbase and just staked a few days ago. I'm going to talk about it in the video on Saturday, so pretty excited about that. ETH will be the dominant. I think so too, Chino. I don't think it'll be the dominant in price, but I do think it'll be the dominant in market cap. Right? The Fungies, what's up, man? Welcome back to the stream, brother. Save Moon to the moon. 100K by 2025. Okay, De Silva. Interesting. Chino had some Eng, learned about it on Coinbase, gained some as a reward, but traded for BTC. Gotcha. How do you feel about it though, Chino? Would you buy back into it? Carlos, just make sure your ADA I use. Find a staking pool you like and make ADA every. Yep. Good stuff, Greg. Rob, I staked on Binance, ETH APY now about 7.7%. Beautiful, man. Beautiful stone. Each one, teach one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Love that. We need a t-shirt, Armand. We need a t-shirt with that phrase on it. Each one, teach one. What do you think? Eric Chavez, I never knew FYI was the most expensive crypto. I thought it was Bitcoin. Gregory. Great stuff, man. ADA running. Let's check it out. Matthew, welcome to the stream, brother. Let's go back here. ADA on the run. Check out Ami for NFT. Looks good. I have heard of Ami. It does look great. I'm going to write that one too down, Eric. I do remember hearing about that one. Got to do some. Those might be the three, actually. Mana, ENG, and OMI. Those end up, it might be two of those three or all three. Next time I buy, I think I'm going into the NFT space. And I'm not going to do like anything crazy, but I'm going to nibble at 2 or 3 assets and just hold them for a while. Edwin, what's up, brother? Welcome back. Yeah, Jake G, Rarible too. I know. I like Rarible too. Gosh dang it. I got to buy 4 now. I like Rarible too, man. ADA's running, huh? Oh, yeah, we are running. 168, okay. All right, nice. About 10%. Love to see that, ADA. The old Cardano got up to 167, which is the all-time high today. So we're setting 24-hour high marks right now as we speak on Cardano. Beautiful. Is that the stake for Ethereum 2.0? Yes, Chino. I think that's what he's talking about. Yep. So, Mofo, make sure to sign the petition to get Shiba Inu on Robinhood. Here's the link. Great stuff. We brought that up on stream the other day, so I signed it. I know a lot of people on stream signed it. Ruby, I'm with you. I'm with you on that. Some dude bought an NFT for 69 million, and it looks bad. It's crazy, Stone. It's crazy out there, man. It's a wild world, brother. It's a wild, wild world. 168, we're still there. Okay, that's a new 24-hour high. 168 on Cardano. Nice. Nice, nice. Do some homework on SafeMoon. I'd love to hear your opinions on SafeMoon. I think it's up there with the top cryptos right now. I mean, or the top meme coins right now, right? So Doge, if you're still classifying it as that. This would be my order. Doge, Sheeb, SafeMoon, and then Kishu Inu, probably. That would be my lineup. Top 4. Thanks, bro. Okay, got it. Ami for NFTs. Thanks for that again, Eric. I forgot about Ami. Rune is a good buy. Okay. Vet running. Love it. Think ADA will dip again. Probably MC at some point. Check out Link. High profits here. Love Link, Edwin. Big fan of Link. I own Link. Got some. I wish I had some more. Wish I had more money to buy that dip the other day. Man, Link was below 20 bucks. But I wanted to get Poly. Wanted to get more of some other assets, some more Doge, more Ethereum. So I went with those 3. But next time we see a crash like that, I'll be looking. at Vet and Link, and probably some NFT assets too. So very true, Chino. Trade less, pay less taxes. That is no doubt about it. Just by not selling as much really helps, right? 75K signatures needed. There you go, Armand. Nice. Dude, Matic. Oh man, what are we doing? What are we doing? Chavez, gotta love it, bro. Where's Matic? Oh, yes. 40%. Oh man. This is beautiful, guys. Just beautiful. What was it was like 240 was the all-time high, wasn't it? What's the all-time? 268. All-time high, 268. Was just set a week ago. All right, guys. Put the date in chat. When are we setting an all-time new high for Matic? What's your guess? And you're playing for bragging rights. What's your date for new all-time highs on Matic? Set 268 on May 18th. 225 right now. Wow. Love it. Love it. Please see profits to buy ETH. Don't have any ETH. Nice, Jake. Filecoin, could you take a look? Tech Howdy, I know Filecoin is a big part of the space. I don't have any. But we could take a quick look. Frank, what about Shiba Inu? I don't know about that, bro. I know about Shiba Inu. Filecoin, where is it? Somewhere right in here. Here we go. Filecoin. So Filecoin's been around for a while too. Down right now, huh? Might be a nice time to get into Filecoin. This thing was all the way up. What's the all-time high? All-time high is 2 months ago. 237 bucks. Look at that. Talk about a discount on Filecoin. So this is what Filecoin, you can kind of see it in the name, right? Aims to store data in a decentralized manner. So kind of moving away from cloud storage like Amazon Web Services or Cloudflare, which are prone to problems of centralization. Filecoin leverages its decentralized nature to protect the integrity of data's location, making it easily retrievable and hard to censor. Dude, I mean, here's the thing with Filecoin. It has major upside. I'm not invested into it, most likely because I don't understand it as much as I understand the other things that I own. That's usually what happens. If you're investing in things you don't really understand, it just feels worse. And that's kind of where I'm at on Filecoin. But I understand like this right here and what the potential is. I mean, basically, if we get to the point where our government, changes some laws in terms of privacy and things like that online and data usage, so a lot would have to happen. But the future for Filecoin potentially could be massive. Okay, guys, how about Anchor? I do like Anchor, Sam. How much is the target price on Anchor? A lot of people were saying could Anchor hit 50 cents in this run. I've heard that be thrown around. Um, Maybe I'll do a video on Anchor. I'll have to do some more research, but I am going to do a video, some upcoming videos, guys, just to kind of give a little preview. I'm going to do a VET price prediction, VeChain, talk a little bit more about VET, the NFT boom, the rise of NFTs, and then eventually in the next coming weeks, I'm going to do a video talking about my strategy and diversifying and what type of things I'm looking at in the next 5 to 10 years. And also Chainlink price prediction. is on the horizon as well. So definitely, Sam. Yeah, Matic up 8.4. Yeah, man, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'll tell you what, guys, I'm getting pretty tired, so I am going to call it quits tonight. Another great live stream. A lot of new people in here, a lot of returners. You guys are all awesome. I really appreciate you. Hopefully, you guys are having a great day, great night, wherever you are in our beautiful world. And let's keep it green, huh? Look at this. A lot of green right now, and look at this. Where is Polygon? 32% up. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Okay, guys. It's been a pleasure. Always fun. Very grateful for all of you. And just knock that like button out on your way out. And have a great one, guys. I will see you all in the next one. Thanks so much to the moderators, Mofo, Armand. You guys are awesome, as always. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you guys in the next one.